Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make notes in Notion. We'll start by understanding the fundamental steps to create new pages and structure your thoughts. Then, we'll explore how to organize your notes effectively, ensuring everything is easy to find. You'll learn to leverage Notion's versatile tools to capture information efficiently, making your note-taking process seamless and productive. This guide will help you master the essentials for a robust personal knowledge system. To begin, simply click the plus icon in your Notion sidebar to add a new page. You can select from a wide array of pre-designed templates or opt for a blank canvas to build from scratch. Once your page is ready, utilize basic blocks like headings, bullet points, and checkboxes to give your notes a clear and readable structure. This foundational step ensures your information is well organized from the very start. Beyond basic text, Notion allows you to enrich your notes significantly. Easily embed images, videos, or even entire web pages directly into your content, making your notes visually engaging. Create powerful connections by linking related pages, building a network of information that's simple to navigate. For a cleaner look, use toggle lists to collapse lengthy sections, revealing details only when you need them, keeping your workspace tidy and focused. Effective organization is key to a useful note-taking system. Group your notes into databases, which offer robust filtering and sorting capabilities, transforming how you manage information. Assign tags and custom properties to categorize your content, making it incredibly easy to locate specific types of notes. And when you need to find something fast, Notion's powerful search bar can instantly retrieve any note, ensuring your valuable information is always just a few keystrokes away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.